Hi guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. Today we will talk about how to buy and sell MNT in Bybit. So it's very easy. All you need to do is just go to assets, click here funding account, and after that you need to have your USDT on your unified trading account to buy MNT for good price. So if you have USDT on funding account, just click on transfer for USDT and transfer your USDT from your funding account to unified trading. All and confirm. Okay, now you have your money on your unified trading account, and after that just hover your mouse over trade at the very top and find in this list spot. And here is the list with all pairs. We need to find here MNT and USDT and click on it. Okay, and finally we are on the necessary pairs page. Here you can find a lot of information about this pair, and of course you can buy MNT for USDT and sell, of course. Now I will show you how to buy it. Now pay your attention to the right side. Here you can see the window. So to buy this coin, you need to click on spot, click on buy, and select market to buy this coin for market price. Okay, now we need to create an order by quantity or by value. So let's select by value, for example, and click on OK. And after that, enter here an amount. And after that, click on buy MNT. But unfortunately, the order value to buy cannot be less than $1. But this is the way how you can easily buy MNT. And of course, if you want to sell it, just click on sell, select spot again, market, and as we did it, just enter here an amount. And after that, just click on sell MNT. So it was a short tutorial about how to buy and sell MNT on Bybit. I think this video was helpful. Subscribe and like. Goodbye.